The VMI Honda Pilot SUV offers an entirely different kind of accessible vehicle experience. It provides all the practical features you love in an SUV and accommodates the ones you care for, all without compromising style and individuality. The VMI's Northstar Emmanuel Ramp is simple to use. Our easy grip handle means no bending or straining. This ramp stows securely within the vehicle floor, maximizing interior space, ensuring a quieter ride, eliminating the amount of debris inside the cabin, and allowing passengers to enter and exit without deploying the ramp. The VMI Honda Pilot is by far the most spacious SUV on the market, comfortably accommodating your family. VMI's trademark Access 360 interior space means even large power wheelchairs can freely turn 360 degrees with a generous 58 inches of headroom. The front passenger seat is easily removed to allow the wheelchair user to ride comfortably up front. Entering and exiting VMI's Honda Pilot is easy thanks to our reverse hinged passenger side rear door. This unique feature creates a doorway 33.5 inches wide and 55.5 inches high to maneuver through, a far greater entry than any other side entry SUV mobility vehicle. The Pilot SUV comes packed with comfort features like cup holders for each passenger and plenty of storage space beneath the rear bench seat. The additional floor and door lighting will give you improved visibility in low light conditions. And for those who want to pilot their life off the beaten path, this conversion comes with a standard Class 2 tow hitch. Designed and built to exceptional safety standards, the VMI Honda Pilot comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, backed by VMI. Contact your local mobility dealer today to test drive a VMI Honda Pilot, the perfect choice for wheelchair users and caregivers who have been waiting for a high-quality SUV mobility solution.